Ready to ditch the print, sign, scan cycle and finally sign Google Docs digitally. First, open the Google Doc you need to sign. Then click on the Add-ons menu at the top. Next, select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Docusign. Find the Docusign eSignature add-in and click on it. Click the Install button and follow the prompts to grant Docusign the necessary permissions you'll likely need to choose your Google account. Once installed, go back to the Add-ons menu, hover over Docusign eSignature, and then select Sign with Docusign. A Docusign panel will appear on the right if you already have a Docusign account. Log in. If not, you'll need to create a free account. Docusign will now guide you through the signing process. You can drag and drop signature, date, and other fields onto your document. Place your fields, adopt a signature style, and click Finish. Docusign will then send the signed document to all parties involved, and you will also have a copy. Now you can sign Google Docs with ease, saving time and paper.